Hi guys, this is Austin with navrepair.com, and today we'll be discussing the one of the common problems we see with the RA3 or RA4 UCONNECT navigation system found in the 2013 to 2015 Chrysler Dodge Jeep vehicles. Really the only issue we've seen with these systems are broken or shattered touchscreens. We do use genuine OEM replacement parts. So if you have any questions regarding your UCONNECT navigation infotainment system, just give us a call at 1-855-628-7372 or shoot us an email to support@navrepair.com. You can also visit our website www.navrepair.com for more information on the different repairs and programming services we do offer. If you need help removing this particular navigation system from your vehicle's dash, just click on the link above and you'll be redirected to some removal and installation videos.